Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the backup exists and includes SMS, because if it isn't in the backup, you can't restore it. Open Settings, go to Google, then Backup. Make sure the same Google account and phone number are selected. Once done, check the last backup date and that SMS messages is listed. If it's old, tap Backup Now. Do this on Wi-Fi with the phone charging, since message backups can be sizable and should finish uninterrupted. After confirming the backup, you'll restore during device setup. That's the reliable path. If needed, factory reset the phone, then start setup and sign into the same Google account you used for backup. When Android asks, select the device backup that matches the date you verified and explicitly choose to restore messages or SMS. Keep the phone on Wi-Fi and plugged in. The system downloads app data first, then message data. Wait patiently, depending on size. This can take minutes to an hour. You're almost done. Open the Messages app and scroll to confirm your threads. Make sure you keep the phone on Wi-Fi for a few minutes after restore so background sync finishes. If messages are missing, clear cache for Google Play services and messages, reboot, and try the restore again. Sometimes reselecting the backup during setup helps. One key troubleshooting tip: always confirm the backup date, the exact Google account, and the same phone number. Mismatches are the most common reason restores fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.